Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by quickly assessing the damage. Look at fiber content and the burn type because the repair method depends on material. Once you confirm fabric and extent, cool the area and trim loose char carefully. Do not pull melted fibers. Make sure to place a clean cloth beneath the jacket to protect your workspace. Gather tools now: sharp scissors, fine sandpaper for light scorch removal, fabric glue, and a small piece of matching backing fabric. These let you stabilize the hole before any cosmetic work. Now you move into the core repair. Cut a backing patch 1/8 to 1/4 inch larger than the damaged area, matching knit versus woven structure for flexibility. Apply fabric glue to the patch, slide it under the hole, and press for 30 to 60 seconds so adhesive bonds. Make sure to smooth wrinkles. Once set, secure with small, even hand stitches around the perimeter. These save the glue from peeling. Finally, lightly sand any scorch residue. Then use matching dye or fray seal to blend texture and color. Finish by steam pressing on low heat with a cloth barrier to set adhesive and flatten fibers. Make sure not to overheat or melt any synthetic. Trim excess thread and test seam strength with gentle tugging. Repair should hold under normal motion. If the hole is large, consider a decorative patch or embroidery for both concealment and reinforcement. If color mismatch or stain remains, try spot re-dyeing or replace the patch. And if you still have issues, consult a professional tailor for advanced textile restoration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.